Happy Friday, everyone. So I just got off work and my son and I are getting ready to head up to the gym. But really quick, for the next few clips that you're going to see, these are actually clips that were pre-Mardi Gras. Both myself and my girls went to Universal Studios to pick up our UOAP magnet for the Mardi Gras season. So the next few clips you're going to see are from a couple weeks ago. So I just want to let you know that. Also, part of the clips is going to be us showing the progress at that time a couple weeks ago on where they're putting in the new roller coaster where Rip Ride Rockit used to be. So I just want to let you guys know that. I still wanted to go ahead and pop that in there for you because we had a lot of fun that day. We were just there, like I said, to pick up the magnet. We did pop into the Five and Dime to check out the Birds merch. They have some Alfred Hitchcock merch, which I am so stinking excited for because I don't ever see any Alfred Hitchcock stuff. And I am a fan of those movies. Psycho is like my number one, but I do have to say, Rear Window. That one might trump Psycho, but they're pretty close. The other one is, of course, The Birds. Anyway, so yeah, so those are the next few clips you're going to see there. And I just wanted to, like I said, pop on here, let you guys know that. Like I said, we're going to head up to the gym. So enjoy.
All right, so as you guys can see, we've made it in. We've got the little orchestra thing going on over here. For those of you that don't know, this is part of the festivities for Mardi Gras. And it's so cool because they always have the stilt walkers out here. They do an amazing job. You can stop and interact with them. But there's the jazz band playing right there. Oh, they're doing the Flintstones theme. So that is always fun to see. That is one of the really cool things about Mardi Gras. If you guys have never been here to do this, it does take place every year. It's really cool because you don't need a separate ticket. It's included in your park ticket. I do want to show you guys up here where Rip Ride Rockit used to be. And the last time we were here, it's been a while, guys, but as you can see, this entire landscape has completely changed because Rip Ride Rockit is no more. So recent developments have come out, announcements have been made, you guys have probably heard, but this is now going to be the Fast and Furious coaster, which, if I'm not mistaken, it'll be a direct replica of the one that they just put out at Universal Studios Hollywood. The layout for us, though, is going to be a bit different because theirs is directly on a hill. I've never been out there, I've just seen the pictures, but so for us here, we have, it looks to be a lot more room. And before we leave, when we're heading back out on City Walk, I will show you guys how far out this is going because it's literally right next to the Hard Rock restaurant. So the footprint for this is going to be quite massive. And they do actually have the wall over here with the advertisement on it. So I'll take you guys over there. Real quick, we're going to stop into that Jimmy Fallon store. We're going to pick up our pass holder magnet, and then we will take a look at that and then go take a look at some of the merch. I did want to point something out, guys. We popped in the store here, like I said, and they have these new printed design reusable bags. And this one has a zipper closure on top. And
hi ladies, that's going to be the right exit.
This one does as well, and this is the larger one. How cool is that? And then the prices on that for the small is $5 and the medium is $7.
So back here, as I had just stated earlier, this is where that Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster, it will not be coming until 2027. I do have thoughts on this. I'm sure there's a lot of you that do. My thought is this. I'm confused why they decided to, copy paste the Hollywood part. That's just me. I'm sure that's, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I am going to say, though, I know a lot of people were disappointed because they were really hoping that this would either be something Ghostbusters related, or I think the other rumor was Back to the Future, considering that years ago this was the Ghostbusters section because the library is right there. So, and of course you have the firehouse right here. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm not a coaster person like that. I can't handle that kind of stuff. But for those of you that are, let me not knock it because, you might end up, actually liking this. And if you do, that's great. And the only other thing is with this announcement, the Fast and Furious ride that is in the San Francisco area, that will be coming out. So we don't know what that's going to turn into, what that's going to be, but that's what we know so far. So obviously, you know, Universal will keep us updated as we go, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys that little tidbit. Like I said, we're not here for a full Mardi Gras video. We will come back for that. This was just to come pick up our magnet and show you guys some of the merch. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now, because I believe they are getting ready for the parade in probably, I think, the next hour or so. And I do want to flip the camera around and show you guys all the beautiful lights, because it is so pretty. I'm telling you, this festival is one of my favorites here at Universal. We do Halloween Horror Nights as well, and of course the Christmas festivities are amazing too. So here are those beautiful lights. They're flashing. So you've got the green and the purple and the yellow. Just so pretty, so beautiful. And again, more stilt walkers out here. You can kind of do little meet and greet. Here they are right here. You'll find them all throughout the park during Mardi Gras. And like I said, the jazz band that was playing when we came in, you'll find them as well. So it's a really, really cool festival with different food booths that you can try. We are passing through the San Francisco area, and here of course is the Fast and Furious ride I was saying to you. It will eventually close at some point. To my knowledge, I don't think we have a closing date yet. But if you guys have heard it, you know, put it in the comments below. But anyway, yeah, so this will eventually be going away at some point. And then of course the Fast and Furious coaster will be at the front of the park. We did stop at the Five and Dime, you guys. Just wanted to see some of the merch in here. Haven't been in here in so long. This is awesome. They have this cool pillow, Back to the Future. If you guys know, you know, the flux capacitor, it is 40. And let's see, the back is plain, but I will admit that is super cool. And I do also love this Back to the Future Spirit jersey. I think they've had this for a while, but I'm honestly not 100% sure. And for this one, it is going to be $85, so very pricey. And then on the front here, of course, it just says Back to the Future. The sleeves are plain. And then around the corner here, I know they've had these for a while, and it's so cool because it looks like the hoverboard. It's just like a little zip pouch. It's $30, so, you know, I don't know. Could use it for whatever you want to. This is nice to see. They've got Woody Woodpecker merch in here now. I love that they're starting to like bring back all the classics and stuff, because if you guys don't know, the Woody Woodpecker area was taken out, and that's what turned into the DreamWorks Imagination area where Trolls is at now. And this is cute. My son would love this shirt. Look at this. Woody Woodpecker, 1940 racing. I love this. Let's see, this one is 45. And the sleeves have like a Woody Woodpecker design on them. That's cool. And then down here they do have this shirt. Oh, this shirt is thick, you guys. This is a very thick shirt. It is 100% cotton, but it is heavy. Very heavy. I've never felt a cotton shirt like that. And it is 30. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Yep. And that's what's on the back. And then I do love this hoodie that they have. So this is cool. It's so cool. Like it says Motorsport. Let's see. This is 80. And then if we check out the back, nothing on the back. But again, the sleeves here do have that design on them. This is a really nice jacket as well. And this has the, look at this. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. That's cute. And let's see. This one is going to be 80 as well. Nothing on the back of that one. And I do love the Woody Woodpecker plush. Man, say that 5 times fast, guys. This is 50. They do also have this blue shirt over here. And 30 for that. They have these sweatpants right here. So it does have like the blue, the blue with the black and white stripes. And then it does say Woody Woodpecker. These are 80. And then the matching jacket is up here. That's pretty nice. It says Woody Woodpecker on the sleeve. This one's 80 as well. This is definitely new. I do not know how long this has been here, guys, but if you are a fan of the movie Happy Gilmore with Adam Sandler, and I have not seen that movie in a very long time, I'm going to be honest with you, it's been so long, I don't even quite remember what the plot of the story was. I know there's golf involved, but I forget. Anyways, so they do have some stuff over here. This is just very interesting. So this is $100 for this very nice looking jacket, if you will. And it does have this lining here on the inside. They have the Happy Gilmore t-shirt here with that on the front. And then let's take a look, because this one's 40. There's this is a very thick, heavy sweatshirt right here. It says tap, tap, taparoo. And then this one's 75. This is a nice little canvasy type bag. So let's see here. It's smaller, but it is heavy. It's a very thick bag. It does have a strap here, so you can wear it crossbody style, I think, and also over the shoulder. And I love it because look inside, it looks like a putting green. So that's pretty cool. It does have a zipper. All right, and the price for that one is $60. They do have a Happy Gilmore water bottle right here. It looks like it is stainless steel inside. This is $30. And they have this shirt here. It does have a little bit of a zipper feature down the front right here. And this one is $45. And then here is the Happy Gilmore hat. The back of it, oh gosh, you guys. If you know this movie, then you're gonna know what this reference is, but like I said, I don't, so you can fill me in. But this one's $30 for the hat, so that's pretty cool. Again, if you're a fan, I got some stuff here for you. This by far, you guys, is my favorite spot. This is the one thing I was anticipating the most because you don't see stuff like this every day. So I saw this online and I was like, I've got to go see it in person. If you guys like Alfred Hitchcock, I do, I'm a fan, and you like his movies, they have an entire birds collection. So this is amazing. This is a very thick, I don't want to say it's not waterproof, but it's a button up with a drawstring on the bottom there. Of course, it does have that bird's design. And this one is $90. I am curious though, is there anything on the back? No, it's plain. Okay. They do have the birds. I believe this is stainless steel water bottle. $30 for that. And I love the shirt, but this color would not look good on me. I would look horrible. Yellow does not look good on me. So for those of you that can pull it off, this is $37. Here is a bird's scarf. This is pretty cool. I do like this. If you know how to wear scarves, maybe this will be for you. Let's see here. So this is $25. So my daughter went ahead and she's holding the scarves just so you guys can get an idea of how large it is. Very nice print. It's, of course, has a silk feel, silk design, silk material is what I'm trying to say. Here is the bird's umbrella, and it is $35. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can open this up so you guys can take a look at it, because it does have like a print, a design on it. And then we have some more shirts over here. This one's cool. So this one here is gonna be $37. And this one right here, the black and white one, $37. It does say the birds in the middle. And then we do have a two-tone long sleeve right here with that bird's design. This is $45. We have a really cool little coin purse, change purse, whatever you want to call it. It's a universal branded thing, so nothing name brand, if you will, as far as bags go. And this is $22. And this is a really cool thing. This reminds me of a mini bowling bag. So there's that. And I take it because of the hardware on the side, there's probably a strap in here that you guys can, you know, wear this over the shoulder or whatever. So that one's gonna be $60. And they do have a reversible bucket hat. So here's this side here. And then this is the other side. So they have it just sitting here, you know, both sides. So for this one, you're gonna see the birds here on the hat, and these are $30. I think somebody else had the same idea as I did, but unfortunately, this one looks broken, so that's not good. But we're gonna go ahead and open the umbrella up so you guys can take a look here. But
It does have that bird's logo right here. So again, and oh, you know what? I just figured it out, you guys. There we go. Just pop it right back on. We're good. Oh dear. There it goes. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at this, you guys. That's amazing. That is very nice. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The quality on this is not the greatest because these little tabs keep popping off of here, and this is straight plastic, literal plastic right here. It feels like it could break. So as much as I love the design and whatnot, I just wish that wasn't like a flimsy plastic. So that's the only bummer part. And then, like I said, these are popping off. These are plastic. So just beware if you guys do go ahead and decide to get the umbrella, be aware of that because, you know, that could be an issue. But it is $35. So we're gonna go ahead and roll this thing back up, and we're gonna put it away properly. This is something my dad taught me. He taught me how to properly roll up an umbrella so that it looks brand new like you just bought it. So if you guys have ever wondered, just take the umbrella and roll it all the way down. And there you go, you're good to go. Just wanted to bring this to your attention because when we were in the park, I was telling you guys about the Fast and Furious roller coaster. So all the scrim that you see here is hiding that construction. And I think we can go around the corner here and take you guys to be able to see the progress so far. I love City Walk, by the way. It is so cool out here. It's one of my favorite places. If you guys didn't even want to come into the parks and you just wanted to come hang out at City Walk, you can totally do that. We were just walking down here and we just came up these steps here, and I'm gonna walk back on the side of the Hard Rock Cafe right here. So yeah, here's that construction. As you can see, it's coming all the way out here. Now, if you guys have ever been here and you were on Rip Ride Rocket kind of, it stopped kind of, I want to say maybe right about here. It definitely didn't go out this far. So when I was explaining to you guys about how far out this is being pushed, I definitely think this particular version of the coaster here on the East Coast is going to be a bit longer than the version that's out on the West Coast, because like I said, they have theirs up on a hill and there's only so much room they have to work with. But yeah, this is the progress. Look at all these footers. Holy moly. A lot of stuff. Got a lot of lumber and wood. I mean, they wasted no time, you guys. None at all. Pretty amazing. Well, we are in the Universal parking garage. We are walking back to our car, but I just wanted to say I hope you had fun hanging out with us. Like I said, this wasn't a full vlog. This was strictly for picking up our pass holder magnet. We will be back to do Mardi Gras with you hopefully soon. It probably actually won't be until sometime next week, but be on the lookout for that. I do want to show you guys the magnets. I just realized I never showed you the magnets. So we're gonna go ahead and get in our car and give you guys a look at that, because like I said, they're super cute. All right, so we are in the car and we have 3 of these because you get 1 each for each pass that you have. And this is what they look like. How stinking cute is that? Has the beads on there with the UOAP and then the little crown on top. Anyways, again, thank you. We love you. We appreciate you guys. I do want to say that I hope wherever you are in the world, you are having a wonderful, blessed, beautiful day today and always. Please don't forget to spread love and kindness. Definitely, we will see you all real soon. So have a good night. Take care. Bye.